The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good morning, everyone. As we have a look at live radar, we are seeing that we're dealing with a light to moderate rain building through about half of the viewing area, especially into parts of the NRB and around parts of Lynchburg and parts of Southside. So let's have a deeper look at what we're dealing with in parts of the Hill City with a light to moderate rain currently ongoing near Amherst in Livingston. At this time, you guys are seeing some rain. Buena Vista seeing some rain. Scottsville going to continue to see some rain. Appomattox just to the south of where this rain is tracking at this time, but going to continue to see some of this light to moderate rain build through some of the region. Grayson County, you guys are pretty much in the clear right now. You guys are dealing with the heaviest rain at one point this morning. A lot of the showers are building out towards the east and are diminishing as they head out to the east. Now, a lot of the heavy stuff is just down to our south and around parts of Greensboro, just to the west of there. And those are going to continue to track off towards the east. And so that's exactly what Futurecast shows us. So we zoom out just a little bit, we'll see that there is a stationary front to our south, but some of those showers and storms could likely tag some of our southernmost counties, anywhere from about Grayson to Halifax counties throughout the afternoon. So as we have a look at Futurecast continuing to track us throughout the afternoon, we'll continue to see those showers and a lot of the moisture push off towards the south and east. However, we'll continue to see some of those light to moderate drizzles of rain continuing throughout southwest and central Virginia all day long. These are going to be very hit or miss. So if you are headed out the door within the next couple of minutes, you may want to grab the umbrella and just keep it handy in case you get stuck in one of those light showers later on this afternoon. Temperatures out there this morning a little bit warmer than what we started off with yesterday. We're at about 58 to 66 degrees across the board. We are going to be warming up this afternoon. We'll get to about 82 degrees between the hours of 3 and 4 with our peak forecast high at about 3:30 this afternoon, getting to about 83 degrees across Roanoke, Lynchburg, and Southside, while the NRB gets to 79. And the Highlands get to about 82 degrees. Then this evening, we'll actually start to clear up once that front officially passes through the region. We'll get to about 75 degrees by about 9 p.m. and then by 11 p.m. we are down to 70 degrees. Tracking the latest on Tropical Storm Ernesto. This is the 5th named storm of the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season. It is expected to move rather quickly. Notice by the end of the week, it is already into the north and western Atlantic with possibly Category 2 hurricane status. It could make a run at major hurricane status. If it does, that would be the first major hurricane of the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season. Now, it will strengthen because it is going to be moving into a more favorable environment with less wind shear and higher temperatures at the surface of the water. Tropical forecast for this year, Colorado State and NOAA both indicate that we're going to be well above our average in terms of the amount of storms that we see, the amount of hurricanes that we see, and the amount of major hurricanes that we see this year. So as we have a look at your 7-day forecast for Southside, 30% chance of rain for today. Then we dry out for our back half of Wednesday and Thursday. And then on Friday across parts of the Highlands, that's when our next big time rainmaker starts to build into the region.